only mission is to transform 5 lakh people. And then some of you will be leaders to transform 5,000 plus people further. Or 5 lakh people, who knows? Are you getting the mission?
Yes, sir.
Should you have a mission or not?
Yes, sir.
You all should have a mission. Tonight, the greatest exercise you need to do is write a mission for yourself. Write, why are you here in this world? What is it that you want to achieve? There are many people who left this world without knowing why they came here at all. You have one life that God has given you to make a positive difference in so many people's lives. With all the education, with all the support, with everything that you have at your disposal, technology, still if you are not able to contribute to somebody's life, what's the use of that life? Let's have a mission for our life. 5-year students. 5-year tomorrow's leaders. But they are groomed here. This 3 years, make it the most productive side of your life. Can you all promise me that?
Yes, sir.
Is that a worthwhile investment of your time?
Yes, sir.
I know it's tempting to go to a fashion parade. It's very tempting. To go to a Saturday night, it's tempting. But I know a lot of great people who have done superbly well in their life. Saturday they go out to a small village and do special classes for government schools. Who is stopping you from doing that? If you are interested, just pick up the phone, let Sandhya know. I'll connect you to those institutions, no issues. I know hundreds of institutions who are looking for youngsters who can come and volunteer on weekends. I'm personally a part of it. MAD means make a difference. MAD means make a difference. And if you are mad and people are telling you are mad about whatever you are doing, that means you are making a difference. If you are not mad, you will not make a difference. This whole exercise was being done only to help you understand that though your knowledge skills are important, what matters?
Attitude.
And do you really want to be successful like these people?
Yes, sir.
Do you really feel that they are great role models of the society?
Yes, sir.
Do you really feel these people are worth emulating, copying them?
Yes, sir.
Then do you need to have those qualities, at least one of them?
Yes, sir.
Did you write those qualities that you want to develop in the next 3 years?
Yes, sir.
Do you know what activities you need to do for that? Do you know what sacrifices you need to do for that? Every revolution happens when there is a sacrifice. There is no revolution without sacrifice. Sacrifice is the fuel for revolution. I know a lot of students who gather once in 3 months used clothes. Then go to nearby areas. The joy of giving exercise you can start. Who is stopping you? Go to neighborhoods, collect newspapers. That's entrepreneurial thinking. Entrepreneurial thinking is not about starting a business. Entrepreneurial thinking is about finding a solution to problem. The world has too many problems today. We need solution makers, not problem. We need people who can create solutions out of problems. The society is looking for waste management. Big business in the near future. Power. There will be huge scarcity. Big business in the future. Water. Big scarcity. Third World War will happen for water. Children are dying for no fault of theirs. Farmers are using pesticides and chemicals which they are not even aware of. And that we are paying money and buying them. Do campaigns, social work. Social enterprise is the big business in future. You can sit at home, use internet and connect to the entire world. You should learn how to use social media networking. Not just my Goa ko gaya tha. Think. I'm not telling you don't do that. Have fun. But do also be serious about life. Should you be serious about life or not?
Yes, sir.
Your parents are really sacrificed. I never had a formal education like you all. Of course, I had the privilege of even teaching at IITs, IIMs, that's a different case. But then that was all because of my sincere hard work for 40 years. I started working when I was 13.